Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. A second bearish black crow yesterday and a suitable follow-on lower to the previous session's bearish long black Mariposa. Prices drove down through the May 2019 high at 73.38, which was the last support before we see the congestion zone between 71 and 3/4 to 72.30, containing the blue lower time currently at 71.99 of the mid-April to early July bearish shift pitch hook, as well as the September 2019 high at 71.99 and the 2020 high at 71 and 3/4. The market held at this congestion zone below, but a little further below is the bright red middle time currently at 71.14, and that's the mid-April to early July bearish shift pitch fork. The times of these pitch forks crossed in the middle of last week, and it's not unusual to see volatility when such times cross. The next crossover will be on the 12th of September, so watch out for some potential volatility then or a few days later. So far today, a slightly higher open and a small reactionary move back up, but seemingly stalled ahead of the May 2019 high. Spot gold. An indecisive doji cross yesterday with a similar tail to the previous session after seeing a third bearish black crow. The market seemingly continues to stabilize under the combination of the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 25.09, the dark blue breached upper trend line currently 25.11 of the April to date broadening top pattern, as well as the bright red middle time currently at 25.17 of the late June to late July bullish shift pitch hook, and finally the 50% projected Fibonacci, I already mentioned that one, the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 25.09. The market is seemingly established some sort of support at the recent lows in the 24.70-73 zone. However, this is for another punch lower, though through the lesser Fibonacci line at 24.91, as well as the July high at 24.84, though obviously failing to close under either. Despite all this, we still have overhead some potential targets topside for the original move out of the broadening top pattern. Thus, the primary target X would be in the 26.28 area, with a secondary hard to reach target X1 up in the 26.96 area. The latter is above the top of my daily chart. All these may now be under threat due to the move back down within the dark blue broadening top pattern. Now, so far today, a very interesting move higher to test the 50% projected Fibonacci line and the dark blue upper trend line pushing over it, all seemingly based on that lesser Fibonacci line at 24.91, and we're up testing the middle bright red middle time at the moment of the recent bullish shift pitch fork.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.